Today, we're looking at how you can extend your shop window digitally. So this is Travel House. So they support a number of independent travel companies and agencies. And of course, what do they do with their Facebook? They show some absolutely stunning locations, and they usually put all the detail in as to, like this one with, the Greek August offer, family favorite. And they go into lots of detail about, what kind of holiday you can book. But actually, it was this post that really caught my attention, because this was about extending their shop window. So I guess, like naturally, if you sell a product or sell a thing, then normally, people would walk past your shop window. When it's a service, or indeed that, you might have multiple locations and things like that. It's important, on social media, that you show off, your office, you show off, that what goes on, you show off, that what kind of thing people would experience when they come in and they cross the threshold. Because guess what? Not everybody goes past your office, not everyone goes past your shop. So it's important to maybe show some of that on social media. So here, I guess it really welcomes new clients in. You get a real window into their business and how it's going. And as you can see, our maintenance team has been really busy this morning, giving our Aberdare branch a freshen up. We think it looks great. Let us know your thoughts, or better still, why not pop in to see the team? So it's inviting. It shows, that they've done, they've made a bit of an effort. I think a way of elevating that even more would have been to do maybe a before and after, or they could have maybe done a time lapse of it being done, or it might be actually to show some of the team there. I also would have probably tagged in to say that, that it was in Aberdare, so that, that you're coming up naturally to the, to the people within Aberdare, so that, that it's more geographically linked. But otherwise, I think it's just such a good post, because it really shows you, I guess, a window into their business, which is what social media is all about.